What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, I know it's been a really long time. I think it's been 3 weeks since I've uploaded a video because we are in lockdown, so I don't know, I didn't feel like vlogging anything. Anyways, today after I think 1 month and 1 week I'll be stepping out of the house. Actually speaking, this is my second time because a couple of days back I went to get my second shot of vaccine. And yeah, so today we will be going and I will be getting a new bike. It's not a motorcycle, so I'm telling it to you right now. Don't roast me in the comments later on telling that it's a clickbait and all that. So it's not a motorcycle, it's a bike. So we'll be going now and we'll be getting the new bike. So that's why I'm wearing these shades, because these are more comfortable, because while coming back we have to come back in the bike. While going, we are going in the car now. Car is getting ready, so yeah, I'll see you in the car. Me and my cousins are going. We're getting 3, and if my friend can join, most probably we'll be getting 4. Okay, they've closed that side and we have Kushal and his brother Nistal today.
No.
So guys, we are going to what's that, Giant Pro Bikes and Fitness Store in Jayanagar, and it's still 9 o'clock in the morning, so we can see some vehicles on the road because we have time till 10 o'clock to go and buy whatever we want, and after that we are not supposed to come out unless it's an emergency. I'll be getting the one which is called Snow Leopard, Outdoors 91 Snow Leopard, and my cousin Kushal is also going to get the Snow Leopard. No, Nistal, yaudade?
Firestorm.
Nistal is going to get the Firefox Firestorm.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay, so we have these in mind, but we're still not sure. We'll go there
We
and
don't know what's going to happen.
yeah, so we'll go there, we'll see other bike models also, and then we'll decide. U-turn ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. So that is Giant Pro Bikes and Fitness Firefox. ట్రెక్ వేసుకొని బోర్డు
వేసుకునింటాడు వాడే ఆఫీషియల్ రెండే ఉండేది బెంగళూరులో. ఇప్పుడు ట్రెక్ వెబ్సైట్ లో పోయి చూస్తాను.
అదే రెండే. And this is it, Giant Pro Bikes and Fitness. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ, ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರಿ. Hey, we got the bags because they're going to give us the mud guards and a few other things. They have a Ferrari. I don't know if it's official Ferrari bicycle, but look at the tire size, massive. We're not going to get anything like that. Oh, ide on the Nistal Firefox Firestorm.
It is Snow Leopard.
Anke correct ga rendu pakkaklone pettesindaru. So guys, this is the Outdoors 91. It was earlier called the Frog bicycles. This is the Snow Leopard. This is the one which I am planning to get, and this is the Firefox Firestorm. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ವಾ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕು? ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇವರೇ?
ಸರ್, ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ ಅಂತ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ 91?
ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ರೇಂಜ್?
27 ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
29.
ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದು?
ಸರ್, ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ನೋ ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್ 27,500 ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದರ 820 ಕೇಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಬೆಟರ್
ಟೊರೊಂಟೊ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೈರ್ ಬಿಡ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟಿದು?
2.10 ಸರ್.
ಅದು 2.10 ಇಲ್ಲ? ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಗಿನರ್ಸು, ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೈರ್ಫಾಕ್ಸಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ಸ್ 91 ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೊರೊಂಟೊನ?
ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ರೋಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ?
ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ, ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
అన్ని తొక్కితేనే కదా తెలుస్తుంది ఏమైంది.
ఇంకొకటి అది మరీన్.
ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು
37
ಯಾವುದು ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್
ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ
ಒಂದೇ ಕಲರ
ಹಾಂ ಗ್ರೇ ಇದೆ 46.
Guys, it's getting a little confusing here, so we'll decide something and then I'll continue. We are in confusion again. We decided not to go with that, either the Firefox or the Outdoor 91, because it's a known brand. We don't want to experiment with something else. So either this one or this one, 91. Don't know, guys. So much confusion.
One eternity later.
This is the one which you are getting, the Shadowfax 29 inches. This is the Firefox Crusader 29 inches, and we went with the Snow Leopard. This is the 27.5 inches. The accessories, we are getting the gel seat and the number lock,
and I'm gifting my cousin this.
and my cousin wants to get this,
For him, sorry.
and a bottle holder. Where inke ante kada?
That is it, sir.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for the accessories. They are tuning the cycle, that is done. This is almost done. They have to still fix that. And after that, after everything is done here, we'll catch you on the road. The time is 10:40, 10:20. We are supposed to be home by now. We don't know, we might get stopped by a few cops. We'll see. It's finally ready. Our 3 cycles, all different colors, grey, blue and green, all are matte finishes though. And this is mine. So let's go. After so many years, I'll be riding a cycle. మాస్క్ తీయచ్చా సైకిల్ తోలేటప్పుడు? లేదు కదా,
ఏ కష్టం రాదు.
మాస్క్ వేసుకునే.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ತರ వర్కౌట్ చేస్తారు కదా అదే.
పదామా,
లెట్స్
లెట్స్
గో.
గో. So we have a small little bell here. Wow, this feels great, riding a cycle after so long. Guys, do let me know how the cycle is. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be ending the vlog here. I can't vlog and cycle at the same time. It's tiring. So if you want to know more about the cycle, or if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below. I'll end the vlog here. Take care. Bye bye.